to build links in your syllabus that link directly to other items that might exist in your course. For example, you could create some online assignments, some online tests and quizzes, and some online forums, which we will learn how to do later as part of this course. And then you can actually embed those very items in your syllabus as you're building it. It's a function called the Sakai entity link that allows you to do this. And the entity link, unfortunately, does not have any other name except entity link, and that's kind of a bad name for it, but that's the tool that allows you to actually link from content areas in Sakai to assessment items.
Kara, this is Paul.
Yes.
We have a few people wanting to know how they can add pictures and videos to the syllabus, and there's a couple of folks that have tried it that are getting some HTML type errors. I don't know if you can spend just a minute or two walking through that.
Sure, yes. I will mention a couple of things regarding getting pictures and other types of things into your syllabus. So let me go to the page where we add some syllabus items. So, and for those of you who are still, working, please feel free to continue to work on the syllabus. If you'd like to stop working and watch what I'm doing, make sure you use your Alt-Tab function to come back to the GoToMeeting webinar so that you can see. So, if you want to create like a link to a document or a video or another website or anything like that, you can type the text for that link. And so I've called my text here is a link, and click this little link button and enter the URL for the item. I'm also a big fan of having stuff open in a different window so that you keep your current Sakai window available. Now, if you want to embed a picture or a photo, there are a couple of different ways to do that. If you have already uploaded some photos into your Sakai resources, which I have not shown you how to do yet, so I would not expect anyone to have done this, but if you have, you can use this embed image option to actually browse from the content that exists in your Sakai resources. I don't have any right here, see? So that's not actually going to work for me. But what I could do is browse my computer using this browse button down here at the bottom and find a picture. We'll use the one of the dogs, and upload that and select it, and that should embed the image. Also, for videos, it kind of depends. Embedding the ability to embed certain types of videos depends on what type of video you have. If you've got something that's already published to like YouTube or Vimeo, generally the embed code from YouTube or Vimeo can be pasted onto the source screen of your text editor. So, like if I were to say, go to YouTube and look for something safe and appropriate like kittens, then I could, whoops, that made some noise, sorry about that. Grab that video embed code, copy it, and then here in the source, paste it, and then post. Now, if I go to preview, I'll see I've got a link that goes somewhere else. I've got a pretty picture, and I've got a video that I can play right here. Now, it's also possible to upload like Flash content or other media content to Sakai and embed it using this insert/edit movie function. Also, if you have an account with Kaltura, you can use this embed Kaltura function that allows you to embed a video from your Kaltura account into Sakai. Now, Kaltura is kind of a third-party tool, so if you don't have a Kaltura account, this function is not going to work for you. Just want to make sure that's clear. Here's that entity link that I was talking about earlier that allows you to link from the Sakai Rich Text Editor into, you know, an assessment or a forum or an assignment or something like that. Last thing I should probably share with you is how to embed Word content. So I don't know if you guys have ever tried posting from Word into, like, you know, an online text editor before, but sometimes it can look pretty messed up. So if you grab some Word content and copy it, and then use this paste from Word function here, that will actually preserve most of the formatting. It's not absolutely perfect, but it's a heck of a lot better than just trying to paste it directly. Then we can preview this again and look at how nice and robust this syllabus actually looks at this point.